stained and unclean. How marvelous, how wonderful, and my song shall ever be. How marvelous, how wonderful is my Saviour's love for me. For me it was in the garden. He prayed, not my will but thine. He had no tears for his own griefs, but sweat drops of blood for mine. How marvelous, how wonderful, and my song shall ever be. How marvelous, how wonderful is my Saviour's love for me. In pity, angels beheld him and came from the world of light to comfort him in the sorrows he bore for my soul that night. Oh, how marvelous, how wonderful, and my song shall ever be. How marvelous, how wonderful is my Saviour's love for me. He took my sins and my sorrows